Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and I'm here with Amanda. We are in Sedona at the popular trail called Soldier's Pass, and we are headed to the 7 sacred pools. Is that what it's called? 7 sacred
That's
pools?
what it's called.
All right, the 7.
First time.
Yeah, first time there. Have you ever? You've never been?
No, it's been on my list.
Yeah, so neither of us have been, and it's gonna be exciting to see for sure. So we're gonna get hiking and enjoy the video. So this must be a dried up creek. Look at all that red. Okay guys, so Amanda is going to fly the drone. She's got her DJI Mavic 2 Pro.
Just finding the right filters.
Oh yeah, and check out this spot. Look at how crazy this spot is. Alright guys, so we just checked air map and we can fly here, so do not come at us in the comment section. But Amanda is about to take off, and she's doing a hand takeoff like in the last video.
Yep, more experience now.
And look at that backdrop behind her with the rock. Wow, nice.
So that's the Devil's Kitchen right there, that big hole in the ground.
Oh wow.
And that's what I'm looking at right now. Find an interesting way to photograph this.
Okay guys, so we just got done flying the drones and it became very, very windy. We are here at Devil's Kitchen. So let's take a detailed look without getting too close. I'll put this, as you can see, it's a long fall down there if you fall, and there's no safety rails, but check this out. So Amanda and I just came across this amazing tree. Still very windy. Here comes a big gust. Okay guys, so we just arrived at the 7 sacred pools. So I have switched to phone vlogging for a second because of this rain.
Having a nice sunny rainfall.
Yeah. It just looks incredible, like right now. Look at that. Velo is getting to run around wherever he is. I think he's behind that. Yeah. And my hair looks crazy. What's that wind? Holy crap. That wind is crazy.
This rain is just being pushed in.
Yeah, like, I mean, look straight up. There's like nothing up there.
Yeah.
And they're not like rain clouds. They're like, over there, there's rain clouds. But yeah, guys, it's crazy out here. Lots of different weather today. So guys, Amanda is going to fly her drone here at the 7 Sacred Pools. Your map says it's okay, so we're going to just do it. It's currently 18 miles an hour compared to when we got here, it was like 6 or 7. But let's see how Amanda does here with this drone. Yeah, definitely. That's what I've always said. Drones are the best cameras. Yeah. Definitely some struggle, but it's got it for the most part. Yeah, that gimbal does a good job at stabilizing. So there's that Mavic 2 Pro handling the wind like a champ. So Amanda's gonna do a top down. Definitely check her out on Instagram. I'll put the name right here in the corner above AZ. Do you have control of it? Whoa, oh my God. That is a gust of wind right there. Holy crap. Did rocks just hit you? Yeah, rocks just hit me too. Wow, that was a crazy gust of wind. Yeah. So Amanda's doing a top-down video right now. I'm gonna climb back down there. You got a good shot? Let's see it.
It might be too bright. It's adjusting now. It's gonna go.
Wow. Wow, that's incredible. Look at those sun rays. That's crazy. Okay guys, so there's a storm rolling in and we spent a lot of time here at the 7 Sacred Pools. So we're gonna start heading back. Amanda got excellent drone footage, as you guys saw. I did not fly here because I'm paranoid about the wind. So guys, we are back at Devil's Kitchen. Here it is from my iPhone camera compared to my Lumix. What do you think?
You can just see like where the whole rock fell in. It just all collapsed.
That's crazy. I bet this thing just keeps getting bigger. Like, look at this crack right here. I don't know if we should stand right there. Like that. Could probably just... So guys, according to the radar, there is a storm coming in.
You can kind of see the rain in the distance.
Yeah, so there's the rain. And that's exactly where it said the storm was coming in from. Okay guys, we're back at the car. My beautiful Ford Fusion. But yeah guys, overall we dodged the storm that's incoming. And we're about to drive to Flagstaff on Route 89A. So that'll be fun. Amanda recommends I drink this body armor. So we're gonna do it. It's gonna recharge us after that hike.
Yes.
And this video is not sponsored by Body Armor, but
I wish I was sponsored by Body Armor. I drink these like almost every day.
all right, let's do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, that is so good.
This one's my favorite flavor, but they have like 10 flavors, and they're all fruit combinations.
Wow, I just drank like half of it.
I'm glad you like it. We've got a whole 8-pack.
Wow. So we are at this red light. Amanda is doing some time-lapse stuff. Philo's enjoying the view. Look at the view out that window. Wow. Crazy. Oh, looks like it's our turn. So we're driving through town here, and one thing about Sedona is there's a lot of roundabouts. A lot of roundabouts. Okay guys, so Amanda and I just arrived in Flagstaff. It is beautiful here. Oh my God, we've been in like 109 degree weather, 75 degrees, and it is unbelievable. Amanda's got her mask on, so I always forget to put mine on. So I'm gonna put mine on right now. Got the mask. We're going into this place called Diablo Burger. If you've ever been to Flagstaff, Arizona and haven't had Diablo Burger, you made a mistake. Just letting you know. And I'm a vegetarian, so I'm gonna get a grilled cheese.
That's how good it is. Even the vegetarian has to make a stop.
Exactly. It's just really good food. Like, you just can't go wrong. I'm gonna pay for this parking and we're gonna eat some Diablo Burger. Okay guys, we have our Diablo Burgers.
They look amazing.
Here's Amanda's. Okay guys, we finished eating and we're walking Flagstaff now.
It's cold. It got cold.
It is a lot chillier than Phoenix, that's for sure. We're just walking off our food now and enjoying the small town vibes. Philo loves this grass.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Amanda is launching the drone. We're in a green grass field. All right, Amanda's going for the hand launch. Wow.
I made a step back.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at our Airbnb and they even wrote this sign right here. Welcome to Flagstaff, Anthony and Amanda. Yeah, we're gonna show you guys around.
Yeah,
Let's
welcome to our crib.
We just gotta turn some lights on in here. Okay, so we've turned some things on. So here's the living room of our Airbnb. It's even got a little fireplace, TV. That's the bathroom. Here's the kitchen.
Little kitchen. Everything is blue.
Oh yeah, it is. Everything has a blue theme. Wow, this is nice. There's the farm
Fresh
eggs.
eggs. Oh.
So these are like from their farm, and we can use them to make eggs. Well, they have chewy granola bars. And here's the bedroom. It's just like a bunch of beds because it's supposed to be a ski lodge.
Oh my gosh, there's chocolate on every bed.
Wow,
So we
really?
get all the chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we do. Wow, I think I'll have a piece right now. Wow.
It's Dove chocolate.
Wow, Dove milk chocolate. This is an awesome Airbnb.
Yes, they've got this whole charging station.
They've got everything you need. There's no Apple.
No.
Eh.
We can charge the drone remotes.
Yeah. I've got plenty of Apple chargers. Wow. So this is nice. This is so late. Oh, wow. This is nice. So yeah, this is our Airbnb for 2 days, 3 days. Home sweet home. And that is it, guys. That is part 1 of our Flagstaff Sedona trip. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're updated when we make new videos. Also, please give this video a thumbs up because that will help it rank in the algorithm. Anyway, guys, we will see you in the next video.